Hello everyone and welcome back to Financial Success, where we want you to be financially free. And in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make money online, more specifically how you can make money doing affiliate marketing for beginners. And I'm going to show you 3 ways you can actually start to make money and the best approaches to actually marketing. So the first way and the easiest way I recommend is doing Amazon Associates. And if you don't know what Amazon Associates, it's pretty much a Amazon affiliate marketing platform where you can sell products through Amazon and get a commission. As you can see, this is Amazon Associates up here, and this is my dashboard just down here. And Amazon Associates is good. However, I'll get into the pros and cons in a little bit, but this is pretty much what it is. So for this example, we'll be looking at the tech niche. We'll be looking at Flossie Carter, who does tech reviews. And as you can see here, we got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Real Review, which is a series. So if we open this up, as you can see, here's the video. And if we go down to the description and we see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Real Review, buy it here. And if we open this, say open, it is a Amazon Associates affiliate link. As we can see up top, it says a link code AS2 and creative ASIN, and the link code means that it's an affiliate link, as well as you got this unique code up here, which is REF, so ref equals ASLIQF ASIN, then TL IE equals UTF-8 and tag YouTube, which is Flossie Carter's unique link. So whoever buys this Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G phone, Flossie Carter will actually get a commission, and based on the commissions, he can make lots of potential money, especially since he is bringing in millions of views every single month. So as you can see here, the date today is actually the 29th, and this was uploaded just yesterday. It's got 83,000 views, as well as he's got other links to Spigen Tough Armor, Samsung leather cover, Samsung Armade cover, which are different types of cover for the Samsung phone. So he can make money through actually selling the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, as well as people can also buy the Samsung covers. So you can make money this way, this way, this way, and this way. So that's 4 different incomes, as well as you got another link here. Do you want to buy some of my gadgets? And this is another Amazon Associates link. We open up in a incognito window. And as you can see, we can buy all his stuff that he recommends, and he gets more money out of this. So far this is 4 different revenues: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 6, including his merchandise. And on his website he has some more money links, as well as people can actually donate to him through PayPal, and that's multiple revenue sources right there. So this is what the Amazon Associates affiliate marketing dashboard looks like. And the unfortunate thing about affiliate marketing, even though it is great, as you can see, 25 cents here, 12 cents here, 0 cents here, 0 cents here, 0 cents here, 0 cents here. Now, as good as Amazon Associates affiliate marketing platform is, I can get a good number of clicks in a day, so 23, but I might only get a few cents for that day. And so far this month, I've only earned $3.25. And like I said before, it's the 29th of August, which is nearly the end of the month. So $3.25 isn't that much for a whole month's work. However, the more clicks you get, and the more sales you get, the more likely you are to make money. Like here it says the clicks for this month, 285. I've seen some people with 5,000 clicks, 10,000 clicks every single month, and their commissions are up to $3, $4, $5,000 each and every single month. So my goal is to actually increase the clicks on the Amazon Associates platform, so I can get a possibly higher commissions for the up and coming months. Another way you can actually make money is through selling online courses, which you do not make by yourself. You actually sell someone else's course. So for this example, I typed in Matt Parr online course review. As you can see, there are multiple reviews. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get the point. So if we look at the very top, we can see that this was 4 months ago, 2,000 views. And if we actually open this, and as you can see, we've actually got an advertisement going. So if you scroll down, and this is a Tube Mastery 2.0 full review, and the description says, "This is Matt Parr, YouTube Mastery and University review. I will be reviewing the YouTube training course program over by Make Money Matt and giving my honest opinions." If you see down here where it says get Tube Mastery 2.0 here, this is also an affiliate link where people can earn up to $500 for people who purchase through this link. And if we open the link, and we will be converted to a webinar. This webinar here is Eddie Chandra's link, so anyone who buys with this link will receive a commission of $500. How do I know this? Because the course is $1,000 and it's 50% commission. So as you can see, $9.97, so Matt Parr will receive about $500, while Edda will actually receive about $500 as well, and we can see that there's a whole bunch of different testimonials available that you can see. So you can actually do online course reviews. It doesn't have to be specifically Matt Parr's online course review. There are multiple other courses out there who also do affiliate marketing via their courses. So if you have a course that you actually want to promote to people and sell, you can do that, and you can actually make money via that affiliate link, and you can make money as well as the creator can actually make money. So it's a win-win for both. So here we're on my affiliate partnership dashboard of Digistore24, and we can see Tube Mastery and Monetization. And if we go into edit, so like I said before, it's 50%. So if someone pays $9.97 and you actually take half, so $9.97 divided that by 2, $498 you will receive. So for this example, I have picked how to make someone fall in love with you, and you can do these types of romantical videos. And what you can actually do with all these videos, as you can see, they're making millions upon millions of views each and every single month. But if you are not monetized, how are you actually going to be making money via love videos? What you can actually do is you can sign up to an account with Clickbank, and Clickbank is another affiliate marketing platform, and what you just got to simply do is sign up, make an account. It's 100% free, and log into your account. So currently we are on the marketplace, which is selected by going to the top right hand corner, and let's say we want to find a product about how to fall in love, how to be romantic, etc. So in find products, we would say something like romance. And this top one here, Text-Free Romance Pack 2.0, increased upsells by over 50% and a average of $48.25 with a good gravity score of 6.49. So if we actually open this and we start scrolling down, as you can see, click vendor ID is TXT Romance. Offer price is $47, commission rate $75, maximum upsell value of $5, perfect for women or men between 24 and 60 in a committed relationship. And if you scroll down even further, we see that you actually have advertisements if you want to advertise it, and you got a multiple selections of banners as well as email swipes and a whole bunch of articles, testimonials, banners, etc. So like I said, you can receive $48 every single time you sell this, or if you look at another product with a good conversion rate as well as a good commission. So Respark Romance, new product for 2019, top AFF makes 5k a day, and this is $60 every single time you sell. So if we actually have a look at this, and they have a 3.15 gravity score, which is not bad. And if we actually look at their affiliate page, how to Respark Romance, welcome to the Respark Romance affiliate platform, earn up to 75% on each commission promoting this unique, highly converting relationship product. And if we scroll down and if we click on affiliates, commissions are up to 75% on the front end and 75% on the upsells. If you make a lot of sales, please contact us about being upgraded to 90%, which is great for people that dive deep into this. And with this particular product, you can be making up to $60 every single sale, and if you do well, you can actually receive up to 90% of every single sale. So what you can actually do with these links is you can say promote, and you can say generate hop link, and you can copy this wherever you want. So just right click copy, and if you come to a site called Bitly, and that's 100% free, you just paste in your link. So paste, shorten, and you want to copy this particular link here, and it's very shorter and much cleaner to actually give to your audience. What you can actually do within your descriptions is you can paste a link up here or down here, depending where you want to place it, and you can actually get people converting and giving you money by selling someone else's product and you receiving a commission. So that's another way you can easily make money with affiliate marketing, even for beginners. So once again, just to quickly recap the top 3 affiliate marketing networks for beginners, I highly recommend Amazon Associates, Clickbank, as well as Digistore24. All of them are 100% free to sign up, and you can actually begin to start making money. As well as if you do want to check out Matt Parr's YouTube course, I will leave a affiliate link down below for that. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, I would really appreciate it if you hit like on this video, as well as subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.